Hello everyone. Today we will be installing a 3D wallpaper. It's a type of scenery. We will be installing it on the adjacent two walls and the ceiling. So let's begin. Firstly, we will remove all the white outlines, clean the walls and remove unnecessary items. So this is the first part. We have installed it. Here comes the second one. We have to align the designs accordingly. Now we have to remove all the air with the help of a squeegee. Check for any air bubbles. So our first wall is almost complete. Now we will move to the other wall and then the ceiling. This is the first part of the other wall. We have to match the endings of the first wall with the second wall. So we are now preparing for the ceiling because we have to firstly install on the ceiling because the chemical falls and it will ruin the second wall. So we'll try to finish the ceiling first, then we will move, then we will complete the other wall. So we put the first part of the ceiling and remove all the airs as we did earlier. Repeat the same process with the other parts of the wall, and our ceiling is almost ready, just the finishing touches. After our ceiling is now complete, so we will now move to the remaining parts that were left over of the second wall. We do the cleaning and we will install the other part. We have to carefully remove the air. After installing all the parts, we do the cleaning, final touch-ups. We have to check for any air bubbles, any defects. After cleaning and everything, our room is now ready. If you liked our work, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.